Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this DeWalt wet dry cordless vacuum cleaner, model number DCV580H. Here's everything that comes in the box. It does come with a crevice tool, so you store it right there. There's the hose. You're going to put a battery on it. It is cordless. Simple power switch. We have a hose. We'll see how long it takes. It is very flexible. Also has one other attachment. I like that everything is stored on board for easy access. Okay, so you're going to simply undo these latches, lift it up. It does have a HEPA filter. Simply rotate it. If you want to use it for wet stuff, that's what the ball is for. When the water comes up, it's going to turn it off. So you want to remove this if you're going to suck up liquid. Put it in, turn it. There's what your chamber looks like. The hose does come installed, but you turn it and you can uninstall it. There's little ears, push it in, turn it. Now, if you want to put it on the exhaust and use it as a blower, this is the blower. You can do that also. Put it in and turn it. So the hose does stretch really far. Maximum stretch before it starts to move the unit is 5 feet. 5 feet before then it starts to want to pull it. So it is very flexible. Got the battery installed. A lot of air blowing out here. It's easy to take a battery on and off. Let's give it some quick measurements. Overall, looks like about 17 or 43 centimeters. Height, 13 inches or 33 centimeters. Left to right, about 11 inches or 28 centimeters. Again, I like that the crevice tool stores here. You know, it's overall about 8 inches or 20 centimeters. It's not too heavy. It's very well balanced. That is a really big battery to put on it. So I'm very happy with it. I'm excited to start using it. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching. Be sure and check out my website, Just a Dad Approved, for all the products that I highly approve of. I did purchase this vacuum cleaner with my own money, and I wasn't paid for this video, but I do use links. So if you purchase this product using a link off my website or in this video, the product's not going to cost you anymore, but I do earn a small commission. I am an affiliate with Amazon. I'm on the hunt for the best cordless vacuum cleaner for a car. Recently, my wife was cleaning out her car, and I had probably 20 cordless vacuum cleaners, and she hated all of them. So I'm on a search to find, she remembered that we had an old DeWalt cordless one that took the old style batteries. And so I think I got rid of that one because the batteries were bad. So now I'm on the hunt, and I'm going to find the best cordless vacuum cleaner to clean out a car. So again, check out my website, justadadapproved.com. Thanks everybody for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. Also check out where you can find all my approved products on my website, justadadapproved.com. You'll see a little link to it here at the end of the video. If you click on that, that's going to take you right to my website.